Welcome to my library slash reading room. Yeah. So it doesn't look like it yet, but it will be. It will be. So, hi. So, I have this extra room. Have quite a bit of extra rooms, but I have this room that I've just been using as my nail room. And then I just pop an air mattress in here whenever whenever I have guests coming over. But I said this is going to be the library. It is one of the larger spare rooms. The other large one is downstairs, but that's my mom's room. But yeah, so I said we're gonna make this my reading room, my library, just have it just real cozy vibes. Just cozy, cozy, cozy. I told chat, do your big one. Here are the vibes. This is what the room looks like. I need you to do something. And chat delivered. So I'm going to try my best to make it as close as to what chat put up for me. So this is the before. It's quite a mess, but it's all right. So I have to move my desk. This is a chest that I bought from home back in New York with me. And I really don't have any use for it. So I'm going to give it to my cousin. She has this furniture refurbishing business, and it's the flipping pears. So I'm just going to give it to her and tell her she can do what she pleases with it. I bought some Billy bookcases from Ikea. I thought that, I could do that. I could put it together. I put my old bookcases together, my old bookshelf together from Target. I can surely put this one together. Yeah, I forget. IKEA furniture be having a million and one pieces. I just don't have the time. I don't have the patience for it. So yeah, I hired someone from TaskRabbit to come and put it together for me. So they should be here shortly, and I need to move all this stuff out of the way. I want to use this wall. So I want to use this wall to put the bookcases, and then I want to have like maybe a little reading chair here, over here, something like that. So I don't know, but I need to get moving. I've been looking for these shoes. Oh my God. Okay. Ah. Okay. All right. I think I'm going to have him help me. Because, yeah. Throw that in there. Worry about her later. I feel like such an adult for having a printer and a paper shredder. Forget owning a whole house. You ain't an adult till you own a printer and a paper shredder. All right, so this is the room, somewhat empty. Somewhat. This will stay here until my cousin comes and get it. And then I'm gonna have the gentleman help me move that. Those are some of the shelves. And here are the other cases. They were just sitting here. And boy, was it quite the struggle to get these up here. Whew! The ladies from my book club, we fought to get it up here, and I appreciate them. But yeah. So this is what we're looking like now. This is the before. And we shall see what the after looks like. Stay tuned. And here it is. It is all done in its glory. I love it. Ah! I couldn't be more happy. So these are the Billy bookshelves, cases, whatever, from Ikea. I opted for the oak color because I just didn't want white and I didn't want black. My last bookshelves were black and I just wanted something different, something warm. And I got the two standard size bookcases, and then the middle one was the small one. And then I got the extenders on the top because I wanted them to go up to the ceiling. I didn't want all that negative space up there. But yeah, I love it. I think I might have my contractor do some, no, I'm doing too much. I'm doing too much. But yeah, I love it. It's time to now fill out the shelf. Oh, and also like, I wanted this, I like the staggered look. He called me in to see if I wanted them like flush with the center shelves. And I was just like, you know what? I kind of like the staggered look a little bit. Let's keep it like this. So yeah, I'm very happy with how it came out. And these are mounted to the wall, unlike my other one, which wasn't mounted to the wall, and it fell. So yeah, I'm excited. Now, time to fill these bookshelves. I don't even think I have enough books to fill them, but that's not a problem. That's not a problem. But yeah, I'm so happy. I love it. And now I'm going to be on the hunt for the perfect reading chair. And I think I want to add a TV in here, maybe like right here. Maybe add a TV to this wall right here. And then I was going to put the chair right here with a nice little coffee table. Ooh. With a nice coffee table and a nice rug in here. And I'm going to leave my nail table over here because this is going to be where I just do my nails. This is going to be gone. But yeah, I think I'm going to leave my nail table over here because this is something that I do all the time. I do my own nails. And then I think I might make this like a double thing, nail and makeup. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'll do like make a double use or get another table and put my nails, my vanity there. I also need one of those to act as like my desk because I want to stop sitting on my couch to edit videos or having to go downstairs to edit videos. I want to be able to maybe come and sit in this room and edit some videos as well because it's easy for me to, when I'm sitting on that couch, for me to put that laptop away and just sit down and couch rot. So I don't know. But yeah, those are the tentative plans for me to make it super cozy in here. And I think I'm going to get a ceiling fan as well to kind of get rid of this recessed light. Make it nice and warm and cozy. Yeah, this is it. Ugh, I'm so happy. And it's just the beginning.